Boom. Okay. Starting a mukbang. First mukbang. I'm yelling, but it's okay. Went to 7-Eleven. Got some nachos. Nachos and chile. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, let me strip down. Holy frick. My boyfriend's beside me, but he doesn't want to be in the video. But he's eating with me. Oh shit. Look at that. Oh yeah, I almost dropped it. Face is turning red. I'm getting a little hot. But it's okay. My doggy's in the back. Simba, come here. Why? Come on.
Watch that thing.
Nachos so good. I'm gonna get fat, but I love fat life. Can you put this over there? Thanks.
Tell them about it. What does it taste like? Is it good?
Yeah. So good. Usually, when I get nachos, I don't really get chili with that. But the chili is really good from 7-Eleven. It's so worth it. Oh my goodness. So, I'm going to tell them the story. One time, my uncle, he went to 7-Eleven with a bowl and goes to the chili machine and fills it right up. And then the guy that works there, he's like, whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't do that. Points at the chili machine. It says free chili. And he couldn't do anything because it said free chili, so he literally bitched for nothing. She's so good. The chili? Wait, let's see. Motherfucker pearl.
You exposed your cameraman.
Oh no! Can you hold this?
No, you must die.
You must die! Die!
No, these are good, man.
They're so good. I love 7-Eleven nachos. Like, look at that shit. Why didn't they put the, like... Why does it say that, like, why does it have, what is it called? Jalapenos on it, but it doesn't come with jalapenos. Come here.
You can get them. They have a container beside.
Do they?
Yeah.
I
just didn't get them.
I didn't know that. Here's my dog, Simba. Look. Say hi, Simba. He's 3. He's my little baby. He's my baby. Don't worry, it's not too hot in here. Huh?
Put him back there. I was gonna give him one.
Oh, come here. Come here. He's gonna join the mukbang. There you go. Yeah. You munching? You munching? Here. Oh yeah. Enterprise. It's gonna be like a little short one because we only had.
We can't finish them all.
Well, I'm finishing all in here.
No.
Yeah. He just wants to go inside and eat.
At one time.
One time.
One time.
One time.
Well, what's your impression on the nachos?
My impression of the nachos is so freaking good. It was worth the money. So worth the money. Thank you. You
If only we had some water, would be nice, eh? Eh?
Eh? We're Canadian. British Columbia, Canada.
Surrey, BC.
Well, no. That's not where we live. But we're Canadian.
You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, look at that. Woo!
Looks like a pile of shit.
Ew, it does. Ew. I
Over
won't.
here. I'm gonna get one.
Mm.
The chili's good though. I love the chili.
We were gonna do it in the house, but I prefer it in the car.
Yeah. Hopefully nobody's watching us. Right?
Whatever.
Oh.
Ja, mukbang, mukbang.
Let's give the dog one.
So, my name's Brittany. I don't know if I said that already. Who knows? I'm 20 years old. Canadian.
And starting our mukbang career.
Starting our mukbang career.
We dropped out of college to pursue YouTube full time.
Yeah, 24/7, daily basis, daily
Hopefully
thing.
it's gonna work out.
Yeah, we'll see. We're just gonna shove our face with food and see, right?
Yeah. Who knows?
Here, Simba, what's this?
It's also like a ASMR.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. I feel like people like some people like,
Like me. I watched that guy.
yeah, like some people actually watch or listen when people eat and stuff. Am I getting like cheese on my face?
Yeah, it's all over your forehead.
Is it really? I totally thought it was all over my forehead because it was all over my fingers. So I'm like, it's a little awkward. I graduated 2 years ago in 2016.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, and I failed a lot of stuff. Like, I was like in grade 10 and I still had grade 8 courses and grade 9 courses. I thought I wasn't even going to graduate on time with all my friends. But then I got kicked out. That's for another story. And then I went to a learning center and then I got my grades all up and then bam, I graduated on time. And I hated school. School's like, it was hell. Oh, hell. But that's life, I guess. You have to go through that type of shit.
We got some napkins.
Mm-hmm.
Can you get us some water quickly?
Yeah.
Should
Do you want to bring Simba with you?
I? No.
Well,
Well, we'll just wait a minute.
yeah. You're fine. Look at that. Like, that looks so good. Hold on.
You gotta do this.
Look at that.
Go ahead, guys. Take a bite.
Yeah, take a bite. Oh, fuck. Oh!
Be part of the first bite gang.
First bite gang.
Hi.
Trying to say hi? That chili's like a little. Okay, hot ones. Oh my goodness! If you're watching this, or if someone watches this and watch hot
If
ones,
anybody's watching this, if there's anybody,
if there's anyone out there, if anyone is out there, please tell me how the hot ones is, because they're like last dab. Apparently it's supposed to be so spicy. And I always watch that channel. Like hot ones and all that. Oh, always watch him. I've always wanted to do that. But we had, what were those ones called? So those chips, like the pull, the one chip challenge? And then we had like the actual bag, but it wasn't like the one chip challenge. It was
habanero.
It was a habanero kind. And it was, I had one. And I was already done. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm sweating. So my boyfriend's like, I don't know how you think you could do the wing challenge if you can't even have one chip. I'm like, chicken's different compared to chips. So.
What, chicken?
Yeah.
Hold it. Go.
Hold it, don't let go.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness. It's like, oh my goodness.
Mm.
Okay, it looks like polished shit.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. The reason why I started this one today is because Trisha, right? Isn't
Don't
it
sneak this, sir.
Trisha?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you
Don't
mean.
trash it.
I'm not trashing
Your
Trisha
followers might be watching this.
because we always know I would never trust Trisha, because the reason why we're doing this today is because we watched Trisha do 7-Eleven one, and then we're like, okay, we got to start our first one today, and we got to get the fucking nachos. So Trisha, shout out to you for doing this.
Shout out to you, Miss Trisha.
Yeah, you're the best for the mukbangs. Constantly talk, which I like.
Constantly eating and talking.
Yeah, which I wish I can like constantly like keep up a conversation and stuff. I'm trying,
Oh,
but
somebody got a car for a gift.
did I?
Yeah.
Did you have like a huge bow on it?
Yeah, you did actually.
That's cool. I've always wanted someone to do that for me.
Let's get some of that chili cheese.
My Homer Simpson pajamas.
Oh my god, look at that thing. That's a heart attack.
Look at that thing. It's a heart attack. Simba, you want one? You want one? Here. And if people want to, because some people actually like hate it when other people feed their dogs like human food.
Oh, once in a while.
My dog, he loves it. Okay, he loves human food. He doesn't want that. He's like, where the fuck is the cheese?
One, you're supposed to be eating these.
I am. I am eating them. So good.
Yeah. They're not bad.
They're really not that bad. They're so good. I haven't had these since like high school. Or like grade 8.
might get
Copyright.
You're allowed for only.
Yeah, for like a couple seconds. Next time, when we do a mukbang.
This is episode 1.
Yeah. But next time we're gonna do it, we're gonna have like a setup.
At the lake.
Yeah. Oh, at the lake? What the fuck? Sure, we're gonna do that at a lake. But next time we're actually gonna have like we'll have Subway or Chinese food. Like whatever you guys want, we'll do it.
If there's anybody watching.
If there's anybody watching, if there's anybody out there, then please let us know. You bored?
What if our mukbang goes on a trending
Woo!
red panty night?
Red panty night.
Talk to them.
I don't like, see how it's all like broken? I don't like the fucking broken ones. I don't like them. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And I just look like garbage. I look fat and bulky.
What are you doing for things?
What?
Like,
Oh.
you know?
You know? Is the cheese spicy too, or is that just me? It's spicy, right?
So. Holy, it's hot in this car though.
Really?
I'll tell you that. Oh, I know there's a light here.
I didn't know there was that there. Okay. Well,
That pretty much wraps it up, eh?
yeah. Pretty much. No. the mukbang of nachos from 7-Eleven. Or fucking the shit. Would prefer it again. But this concludes to the ending of our mukbang. So, thank you for watching, if anybody is.
We're out.
We're out. Like, subscribe,
Hey,
comment. Do what you gotta do.
Peace.
Peace.